Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Ikra English School. I hope you all must be fine. This is your class 3rd NCERT EVS book Looking Around, and today we will read the chapter number 10. The chapter's name is What is Cooking? As the chapter name is, we will know in this chapter about some cooking, and we will know about the utensils, how many metals are there that are used in making utensils. So first of all, there is a picture. You are watching that so many dots here, and you must be watching that there are some utensils. This is a spatula, this is a pressure cooker, frying pan, this is another spatula that is used in frying, this is a tawa, this is a kadai, this is a ladle, and this is a pot. When you will color this dotted area, then you will clearly see the picture of these utensils. Here is a question. Look at the picture, color the space which have dot in them. What do you see? So you can say, I see ladle, tawa, frying pan, pressure cooker, pot, kadhai, spatula, and another spatula that is used for frying. In the picture you must have found some utensils that are used for cooking. Are there any other utensil used in your house for cooking? Which are they? So you can say, beside those utensils we use at our home idli pot, steamer, grill pan, sauce pan, tadka pan, etc. What are the utensils made of? There are many metals, there are many things that are used in making utensils. Here I have written steel, iron, copper, glass, earthen pot, bronze. Beside this, aluminium, plastic, and wooden utensils we also use at our home. The copper, you must have listened the name of copper metal. The copper metal, it is said that if you drink water in the copper glass, then it is better for the health. Ask some elderly people what kind of utensils were used earlier, what were they made of. So in the olden days, mostly the earthen pots were used into the houses. We do not cook all the things that we eat. Find out which things we eat raw and which ones we cook before eating, which are the things we eat both cooked and raw. Fill in the table given below. Things that are eaten raw. We can eat raw tomato, cucumber, onion, carrot, and radish. Next, the things that are eaten cooked. Dal, roti, rice, brinjal, lady's finger, and there are many things. There are many things that are cooked before eating. Things that are eaten both raw and cooked. So, tomato, onion, cabbage, carrot, and radish. Have you seen a chapati being made in the kitchen or anywhere else? There are so many things to be done for this. Taking out flour in a utensil, kneading it into the dough, making small balls of the dough, rolling out the balls, and then cooking it on fire. After all this, the chapati reaches your plate after so much of effort. Go to the kitchen and observe something being cooked. What all was done to cook it. Write a sequence. Don't forget to write the name of the item being cooked. Look at the notebook of your classmate and discuss in a group. So here we will cook rice. So first of all, we take a bowl of rice grain. Then we wash it with a clean water. In the third step, take 2 or 3 glasses of water in a pan. In the fourth step, put the rice in a water. In the fifth step, put the pan on the stove to boil. And the last, wait till the rice cook properly. You have seen that food items are cooked in a variety of ways. Some are baked and some are fried. Some are roasted while some are steamed. Given below are different methods of cooking. Write the names of 2 things cooked by each of these methods. Add some more method of cooking to the list and give example too. Here is the method of cooking and here the name of the things. Roasting, we roast the roti and papad. Boiling, through boiling we eat eggs and potato. Frying, papad, puris, pakoris or bhajiyas are cooked by frying. The fourth step of cooking food is baking. We bake the cakes and biscuit before cooking, before eating. And the fifth is steaming. Idli, dhokla, and there are many foods that are steamed before cooked. So this is the first part of the chapter. Listen carefully the explanation and read the answers that are given in the chapter. Take care.